Ineno kalatvlive. Kalatvlive Machieg'Ni Pacho ma e odwa.
Biro kakoro cheno makamani ne otimre ka migap somo bende kod nolero gin kai kod cheno no mar biro baga lam ne ringre jopuonjre mamoko ka koro odiochieng' makoro ni ne familia mar achiel kuom jopuonjre go mano owito ngimane macho nogo mano Zuhura Rama ne okawo ringre nyargi no ka ne gichwalo achiel kachiel nyaka kaunti no mano ma Kwale kama
the process of the DNA and now we are waiting to see or to identify the bodies of our little children that lost their lives. So right now we are waiting to go and view the bodies, and then we've been informed that the government is planning for some to request the government that if possible to allow us take because this is not a ceremony there is nothing to celebrate about this matter, and there is nothing to expect, nothing to celebrate about this matter, and there is nothing to expect. We are not coming to gather for any celebration. We are not coming to gather for any celebration. So they should allow us, if possible, to take our bodies, go and finish the process, because already there is a lot of cost that the families are incurring, because a lot of mourners are tripping to our families.